Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show how to make these pearl, jade, and crystal beading bracelets and choker necklaces. There are two designs in this tutorial. So let's start. I'm going to use FireLine, scissors, Toho seed beads in size 11, white jade, oval beads. I personally love semi-precious gemstones, Swarovski white pearls in 4mm and 6mm, silver tubes, Swarovski 4mm Bicones in crystal AB color, 2 beading needles, closed jump rings and clasps. For the first design, I'll cut about 100 cm thread. Fold the thread to make one side is about 40 cm and the other side 60 cm. Trap one jump ring. So now the thread has one longer side, 60 cm, and the other side is 40 cm. Put on the beading needles for the two ends of the thread. Place one seed bead, one 6mm pearl, and another seed bead on the longer side of the thread. Then one seed bead, one silver tube, and another seed bead on the other side. Then trap a silver tube. So take 2 needles to go cross through the silver tube. We've got the first triangle shape. Next, just keep repeating 3 easy steps to finish the bracelet. Let's have a look. Step 1. Place one seed bead, one 6mm pearl, and another seed bead on the longer side of the thread. Step 2. Place one seed bead on the other side of the thread. Step 3. Trap a silver tube. We've got the second triangle shape. I'll repeat one more time. So one seed bead, one 6mm pearl, and another seed bead on the longer side of the thread, one seed bead on the other side. Trap a silver tube. So this is the third triangle shape. Just keep repeating the 3 steps to make more triangles till you get the right length. This is a good length for me. Now take the needle on the longer side to go back through a couple of beads to make the 2 sides of the thread stay at the same place. They are at the same place now. Just to make one knot here. Then put one clasp on one side. Then make 3 final knots. Make sure they are tight and secure enough. Take one needle, go back through several beads to make the knots less visible but more secure. Trim off the excess thread. Same way to finish the other side. So we've finished the pearl bracelet for the first design. If we make it long enough, it could be a nice choker necklace, as you can see in my photo. For the first design, if we replace the pearls with the jade beads, the beads don't stay flat, so they are not suitable to be made as a necklace, but it's nice as a beautiful jade bracelet. For the second design, I'll cut about 135 centimeters FireLine, then make the first pearl bracelet. I've finished 3 knots here, and we have a lot of extra thread left. Take 1 needle to go back through the beads on the same side. There's a small gap here. I'll add 1 seed bead to fill the gap. Continue the journey. As you can see, there's a bigger gap here. I'll add 1 crystal bead to fill this gap. You can actually use round crystal beads for this project. Just continue. Same way to add 1 crystal bead to fill each gap on the same side. So I'll quickly do this side. I'll skip this part. And 1 seed bead for the last small gap here. Now I've finished this side. The thread is now here. So same way to finish the other side. Add 1 crystal to fill each gap. Just to fill all the gaps on this side. I'll skip this part. Now we are almost there. 2 sides of the thread are together now. Here make 3 final knots. Then take each needle to go back through several beads. Trim off the excess thread. Just like how we finished the first bracelet. Now, we've finished the second bracelet with pearls and crystals. We also can make it long enough as a beautiful choker necklace as shown in the photo. With the same method, if we add 4mm pearl to fill each gap for the jade bracelet in my first design, we can have a delicate jade bracelet. That's all for today's tutorial. Really hope you guys like my designs. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.